Draw a brick wall on black paper. First, start with black paper and create a grid with your white color pencil. This video will lead you through. Make sure that you start off with parallel lines that are evenly spaced apart and use a white pencil so that you can see it. Then you're going to make marks on alternating rows in a vertical direction. Once you start making your marks, you'll go back about halfway to make marks in the alternate rows, and from there you just stagger your ruler and continue to make alternating marks in alternating rows, and that will complete your brickwork. Once you're done with your brickwork, you're going to round the corners so that they look a little bit aged. You'll do this with white pencil, and don't worry too much about the direction right now. You're just creating curves at the edges of the corners. Once you're done making the curves, then it's time to age your brick. And you're going to do this with white color pencil. And I just chose different directions and spots to add a little bit of highlight in each brick. Mix it up, alternate it so that it doesn't look like a pattern. You want these bricks to look aged, and you want them to have a bit of randomness in the way that you place your highlight. So you'll do this all the way across your bricks so that every brick has an area of aged highlight. You're almost done, and it should look like this. Now it's time to choose your color. You can choose any color, but I chose green. And what you'll do is you will go square by square, and first you'll outline over the white pencil with black because we want the grout in between the bricks to be black. Then you'll apply your color, and it doesn't necessarily have to be an even placement. Again, these bricks are aged, so you can add inconsistent colors so that maybe some bricks are bright, some are dull, some highlights are bright, and some are dull. Then I went back and added black to add some contrast to finalize the look. Hope you enjoy this video.